Hi friends, if you're looking for an easy flavor packed dinner, this one pot Mexican style chicken and rice is perfect. Everything cooked together in one pot, soaking up all those smoky spices and juicy chicken flavors. Simple ingredients, big taste, and minimal cleanup. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients for today's dish, except the rice. This is a complete meal full of nutrition and bold flavors. I am using chicken thigh fillets with skin and bone on, and I have made few cuts so the chicken cooks evenly and really absorb the seasoning. You can use as many vegetables as you like and any kind you prefer. Here I have baby corn, carrots, banana capsicum, red capsicum, the white part of the leeks, green peas, and corn. This is spring onion and the green part of the leeks. I am also using can of kidney beans. You can use chickpeas as well. For the flavor, I am using black pepper, Mexican spice mix, which you can easily find in supermarkets, turmeric, and salt to taste, and little plain flour for the chicken. And I am also using chili powder, a can of crushed tomatoes, and oyster sauce and soy sauce. Finally, ginger and garlic paste for the depth and richness. Season the chicken with salt and pepper and Mexican spices. Adjust everything to your taste and add chili powder if you like it spicy. Then add 1 teaspoon of each soy and oyster sauce and give a good massage with your fingers. Now sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of plain flour over the chicken. This helps seal in the flavors and gives the chicken a nice coating when we cook it. Keep this aside for about 30 minutes. You can do this step in advance and keep it in the fridge until you are ready to cook. Now it's time to cook. Make sure your pan is big enough to fit everything. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. Once the oil is hot, lay the chicken into the pan in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. Turn the chicken over and seal it on the other side as well. We just want a nice color and to lock the flavors on both sides. Now chicken is done. I wiped my pan, but you don't have to. You can use the same pan straight away. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Then I am adding my garlic and ginger, about a teaspoon each, followed by medium sized chopped onion. I had some mushroom left over from another video, so I am adding those in as well. Now I am adding all the vegetables and saute them slightly. Seasoning the vegetables with your preferred Mexican spices. I am adding black pepper, Mexican spices, a little salt, just enough for the veggies, and a pinch of turmeric for vibrant color. I am also adding a half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is optional, totally up to you. Next, I am adding kidney beans. I have drained the liquid and rinsed them well. I am using 2 cups of basmati rice that's been washed, soaked for 1 hour and drained. You can use any kind of rice you like. Add the rice to the pan and give everything a good mix on high heat. I am using my homemade chicken stock, but store bought stock works perfectly fine as well. I am using 2 cups of rice, so I am adding 2.5 cups of stock. Give everything a good mix, then place the cooked chicken back on top of the rice. Put the lid on and let this cook on medium heat. And yes, I almost forget the crushed tomatoes. That's not a problem at all. We can still add it now. Crushed tomatoes or tomato paste is a must for this dish. So add it in and mix gently. Once all the water has evaporated, lower the heat and let it gently finish cooking for another 6 to 8 minutes. The one pot meal is now perfectly done. I am adding the greens after switching off the heat to keep them fresh and vibrant. Here it is, one pot Mexican style chicken and rice, full of color, flavor, and nutrition. You got protein from the chicken and beans, fiber from the vegetables, and energy from the rice, all cooked together in one pot. This is a complete balanced meal that's easy to make and perfect for busy nights. Minimal prep, minimal cleanup, and big flavor on the table in no time. If you're looking for a quick, wholesome dinner that the whole family can enjoy, this one is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching.